I will record. Okay, I'll try to share the presentation first. Can you see it? Yes, idioms. Okay, it's very short and it's about practicing and recognizing common idioms for students. Okay, and first I would introduce them to the concept of an idiom. What is it? An expression that cannot be understood from the meaning of its separate words, but gets a meaning in the whole, as a whole. This is what Merriam-Webster dictionary reports. And I would give them an example. Idioms are sayings that have both a literal and figurative meaning. Example, are you pulling my leg? So it can be literal, someone stretches someone else's leg, or just meaning, are you joking? Next, I would give students a few idioms and they should match the idiom to the meaning. So I have a frog in my throat. Do you know which one it is? Of course. Okay. When pigs fly? Of course. Okay. And feeling like a fish out of water? Uncomfortable. Okay. When you are uncomfortable. Okay. Next slide. They should complete the sentence. This cold is awful. I'm barely able to speak. I have goodness. Thank you. I didn't know anyone at the party. I felt like no, like a fish out of water. And the last one, you will get up early to clean the house. Yes, when? Yeah, when pigs fly. Okay. And then, can you apply the idioms to the pictures? Actually, the definition should come up in a sequence, not just given like this to students. And I should present the slide in another way. Okay, that's just the end of it. It was very short, and I've prepared something on Quizlet. About this. Okay, so let me see if I can share again. So Quizlet, where is it? Okay, how can I find the Quizlet here? Okay, idioms, live. Yes, in Teams again. And copy link. Yes, okay. Where is the chat here? Ah, can you see the link? Okay, Nest is here, Pat is here. Can I start? Can I go? So I've got 4 players now. Can I go? Okay. Okay, you can start. Chameleons, a hat, dolphin. Okay, still chameleons going faster. Good. Progressing. Wow, that's good. Okay, chameleons are back and dolphins are ahead. Very good. Come on, you can do it. Come on, dolphins, you can do it. Okay. Okay, dolphins. You can do it. You're quite to the end. Okay, very good. Well done. Well done. Thank you so much. Thank you.